Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can fix Wi-Fi not working on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. The first thing that we can do is go to settings. In these settings you want to go to connections. Over here we need to make sure that of course Wi-Fi is enabled and that the airplane mode is disabled. So if you have airplane mode enabled, then of course the Wi-Fi module will be disabled. Turn off airplane mode if it's enabled. Then over here you can go to Wi-Fi and try to connect to your Wi-Fi network. If you cannot, you can also tap on the settings icon on the right side, and then over here you can press forget in order to try to connect to your Wi-Fi network one more time. Now, if that doesn't help, you can also go back to the main settings page and then go to general management. And then over here scroll down, go to reset, and finally one more time scroll down and go to reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Keep in mind that it also resets Bluetooth settings like the name suggests. However, if those previous steps failed, then you can reset Wi-Fi settings. So press the reset settings button, confirm it, and then you can go back and try to connect to your Wi-Fi one more time. If that doesn't help and you still have issue with connecting to Wi-Fi and you are completely certain that this is not the fault of, let's say, your modem or something else, it is definitely the issue of your device, then the last thing that you can do is the factory reset. So you can go back to the reset settings, and then at the bottom of the screen you will find factory data reset. Now of course this should be done as the last thing and only if everything else fails to work. And of course keep in mind that everything will be removed from the device if you do the factory reset, including all files, all kinds of data and apps and so on and so forth. So make sure to make a backup before you do that, if you decide to do that. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.